I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. This week I am going to be doing random color makeup. What that basically means is I will pick a random color and I will do my makeup accordingly. Now I want to make it cohesive so that it is a makeup look that you can wear and just not random fun. I may do that in the future, that's just completely random colors. If that is something you're interested in, I will definitely be up to doing something like that. And while I have you here, I want to apologize for not being here last week. I was spending time with family. Before the holidays, I was visiting them on the other side of the country. And then I celebrated my birthday on the weekend just because that's when my family was here. I do apologize for, like, my whole week was booked, so I apologize for not being here with you. But I am back again, so the schedule should be back as normal. So if you want to know more about this makeup look that I'm wearing right now, then keep on watching. So today we are going to be doing something a little bit more creative. So I'm going to be picking a random color from this jar, and it's just a jar that I have left over. So the colors that I put in here is yellow, orange, pink, red, purple, blue, green, brown, black, white, silver, and gold. I believe those are all the colors that I put in here. And I'm just gonna give it a good shake so that I get a random color, because whatever color I do pick is gonna be the color of my eyeshadow, and it can be different shades of the color. It just needs to be that color and it cannot be combined with any other color. That is what I'm going for. Now my mascara and my eyeliner will be black because I don't have those in color, but my lips will be matching my eyeshadow as best as I can. I don't have all of these colors in lipstick or in lip gloss, so I'm just gonna have to improvise with liners and because I do have a blue eyeliner, but liners and with eyeshadows. So I just want to see how this is gonna go. Now the rules I want to put is that this is something I want to do more than once. So whatever color I do pick now, it will not be in the jar for next time, so that I can go through all of the colors and do a creative look accordingly. So today's color is purple. That's gonna be interesting. I do believe I have a purple lipstick, so I feel like I'm a little safe there. And I do have purple eyeshadow, so that's not gonna be a problem. So now I just need to take some time to think about the look, because I know as much about this look as you are at this point. I don't know what I'm gonna create yet, so I just need to look through the colors that I have, and I will be right back with the look in mind. So I did find some purples to use. I'm just going to be using my trusted H&M's eyeshadow palette and the Constellation by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be using these two, but I am going to be using 3 different purple eyeshadows and mixing them together, and I'm going to be putting on eyeliner as well as mascara at the very end. And then for my lip gloss, or for my lips, I only found purple lip gloss. I feel like the lipstick that I have kind of borderline goes towards red, and I don't know. I feel like this is borderline red. And it's the same with this lipstick that I have. It has purple in it, but it's not 100% purple. And I feel like this one comes off more purple on the screen, so maybe I will be using this lipstick, or I will be using one of these 3 lip glosses, because these are definitely purple. I will not make a mistake there. So maybe I would just do glossy lips with the look. I want to see how the eyeshadow comes out first before I even make a decision on which lippy to use. For the eyeshadow, I usually start with the lightest color always, and build it from there. So which color do I want to use? The very first color that I am going to be using is this one right here. It's the light purple, and I will use that in the inner corners of my eyes, and I want to just apply it there so I know where the borderline goes. And I'm using a flat brush, just a normal flat brush. And yes, do some on your lower lashes as well. I feel like this can go a little lower. There. I feel like that's better. I will put more of this purple at the very end. I just wanted to make a border to show, to kind of help me make sure I get the, know where I want it to be the brightest and where I want the next color to start. So it's just for me to know that. I don't even know if you can tell I have color on. But what I want to take all over the lid is the same H&M eyeshadow palette, and it's this color right here. This is the one I want to use. And I want that all over my lid, well, except for the inner corner. Now I want to go in with Makeup Revolution's Constellation called Cosmic. And I'm going to put that in the outer corners of my eyes, and that's why I'm changing to a round brush. But this one is a little bit more firm than a normal round brush. And I just want to put that in the outer corners of my eyes and up into my crease. Oh yeah, and bring it down to your lower lashes, and you want to bring it in a little bit because you just want it in the outer corners of your eyes. We are going to fill in the middle part of this with, well, I want to say bring it about, I'm changing my mind as I'm doing this. With this color, you want to take it in about halfway on your eye, and then you're going to have that meet with the lighter one that we're going to fill in a little bit later. And don't worry if it looks a little bit messy right now. We're going to be blending it and softening the look and making sure it's cohesive. Before I blend this, and then I will maybe add a little bit more color where I think it needs more color, but I'm going to take the flat brush as before, but I wiped off any excess so that I wiped off any excess so that I can have the light purple from the before, the first purple we ever did, this one right here, to have on my lower lashes. And yeah, bring it to the center. Bring this color towards where the dark finishes, and it should be basically the center of your eye. They meet halfway. So I just want to go in and blend it all out with my Essence eyeshadow blender brush. And now I'm just going to be blending it out, and I kind of always like to start either on the lower lash or the upper lash, but I usually start on the inner corner. Just a preference, but you don't need to if you don't want to. Start where you feel like starting. I think what I want to do is take the very lightest purple again and bring it up on my lid so that it can enhance the color that is underneath while I'm enhancing itself, if that makes sense. So I'm just taking the flat brush and I'm just adding it right here where I think it can use a little lightening, and I can think it can use a little bit of glitter. Now that is much better for me. I don't want to go too dark all over my lid. I just don't prefer it for today. So all I did really, I think I can come up a little bit closer. So what I did was apply just right here with the lightest color. You don't want it too far out and you don't want it too far up. You just want it to be on your lid, on the, like towards your lash line, sure, but then kind of bring it up a little bit to the center, but make sure you have a thick enough kind of a crease definition going on, and you want to thick enough outer corner that is darker just to give it that more dramatic effect. Because this makeup look is focused on the purple, I will do my eyeliner and my mascara off screen, but I will link up here how to do your eyeliner if you're interested in knowing how I'm doing this one. It's the same one as I do every single time, and here's a tutorial on how to do it if you are not sure how to. I will see you when my eye makeup is almost done. Okay, so the lighting didn't change, the sun is setting, just so FYI. So what I basically did with this makeup, I did the winged eyeliner that I normally do, and that was linked up above, and I did mascara up and on my upper and lower lashes, and then I went ahead with, this doesn't have a brand name, but an eyeliner like this one with a tip like that one, and I went all over my upper waterline and halfway, maybe a little less than halfway on the outer corner of my lower waterline. That is the only thing I've done to the eyes off camera. So if you really want to achieve this look, that is all you have to do, and you have it. Now I don't want to risk it with the lipstick, so I am going to use the lip glosses. So I just want to see which one will look the best. This one is screaming for me. These are brand new. I got them for my birthday yesterday. So this is by Depend and it's called Lip Gloss, and the shade number, it doesn't have a shade number, but this is what it looks like, and it's by Depend. Now that I have my lip gloss on, I want to go in with the lipstick. And I'm going to be using the same small brush because I feel like it's not enough color. It's not enough color. We're going for purple here. I know it may sound weird putting on lipstick on top of lip gloss, but it's like putting a lip tint actually, so. Oh yeah, by the way, this lipstick, it's also, no, it's Technic, but it doesn't say shade, but it's by Technic. Sadly, this lipstick comes off a little red pinkish on camera, so I do apologize for that. Now I'm going to be putting on setting spray, so I'm going to be putting on Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix, and it looks like this one. And I'm just going to be spraying my whole face. And then I take a dry beauty blender and dab everything in. I just prefer it this way. You don't have to if you don't want to. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, and I am so sorry if the lipstick comes off as pinkish red kind of a color on camera. It looks more purple in real life. Not as purple as this, but purple borderline red, but still in the purple category. So this is what the purple color looks like. That is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like down below. And now if you have any questions or requests, write them in the comments down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now, all of these Makeup Wednesday videos, they are uploaded every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it 3 o'clock? Yes, 3 o'clock New York time, because they are 5 hours behind. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!